nobody, and we mean nobody, flies faster than the Falcon.
Pound for pound, he packs the biggest punch in the natural world.
Hit the strip out of school, couldn't wait till I got out of class. Used to stare at the clock and shit. Before all this rap shit, I was gang banging and doing half beats on the cops and shit.
They can make a living anywhere on Earth. They can survive naked in the vacuum of space. They've survived all 5 of the most recent mass extinctions on this planet. A visitor from another world could be forgiven for thinking of Earth as the planet of the tardigrades.
Ball like a king up in Cali and shoot like Stojakovic. Keep applying that pressure, I go on the run. It ain't no letting up, ain't no stopping it. Had to tell my little brother to chill, gotta stay in the house, come outside, he be popping shit. You ain't heard about us? Well, you need to go watch the news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who